I think that looks much better. This is an 1880s cedar meat safe. Now generally cedar is worth more than oak or pine, so with a piece like this, all I'm going to do is give it a really good clean and then apply an oil finish, which will really enhance the beautiful cedar timber. The meat safe was widely used before the introduction of ice chests and later refrigeration. But today I've seen them used as very stylish cabinets for anything from entertainment units to linen presses. Of course, I wouldn't put anything in here yet, it's filthy. The hinges have come loose, in fact some of them are nailed in place, and the handles and latches need reviving. And this pressed metal here needs replacing.
This metal is in good condition, so I'll leave it as it is.
I steel wooled and wire brushed the hinges, catches and handles and to clean off any rust. In most cases, the problem of a stripped out screw can be solved by gluing some matches into the hole. When you're cleaning up a piece, it's always important to use the least drastic method first. By that I mean, you can start off with warm soapy water. The next one is any sort of household cleaner. The next is a mixture of linseed oil, elm gum turpentine and metho, which is like a reviver mixed 1 to 1 to 1. The next strongest method is just straight methylated spirits. So I'm going to give the old warm soapy water a go on this job first. Well, that's working quite well. All it's doing is just taking the grime off the top. We don't want to disturb that beautiful finish that's still left underneath there. Makes a difference, doesn't it? Now from experience, I know that the household cleaner will work as well because it's a little bit stronger mixture. But what I want to do with this job, as well as cleaning it, I want to revive it and bring out that beautiful luster in the cedar timber with an oil. So I'm going to use the Reviver mixture, which has the oil already in it. So what we're seeing here as I'm cleaning is some of the original shellac is coming to life. But probably more importantly, with this cleaning mixture that I've got, the linseed oil is actually feeding the timber and really making it look fantastic, don't you think?
The metho and terps
Are extracting the grime that's built up over the years, while the linseed oil is reviving the finish, giving it moisture. See, it's starting to glow. What you're seeing here is the timber being rejuvenated. The moisture returned to it as it was in the tree. there. It's remarkable what a simple clean-up job will do. Now you could finish off with an oil if you like, Danish oil, orange oil, or linseed oil. I'm going to finish off with linseed oil. It's been thinned down with a bit of turp so it makes it easier to apply with a rag. Now this is what conservation of old furniture is all about. Not making something new, but reviving its character by giving it a clean up and a drink. Given time, the new pressed metal will blend in with the old. I would give it another drink of oil in, say, 6 months or so.